This video will show you how you can fix the no sound issue on Audacity. So if you play the track but you don't hear anything, this video will help you out. Now the first thing that I recommend you do is go to Edit and then Preferences, and from here on Audio Settings you can look at the playback device. So if you click on that, you can then choose the playback device that you want. Just make sure if you've got headphones connected and you're using them, you have them selected here. You can then click OK. You can also double check this by going to Audio Setup in the top right. You can then go to Playback Device and just make sure that it is selected. Once you've done that, you want to look to the playback meter. So if you play it and the sound is going up, you see the green waveform here, but you can't hear it. What you would do is turn the playback meter up and make sure it's on 100%. Then I would try playing it again. So once you've done that, if it still isn't working, go to your volume setting in the bottom right hand corner of your computer and just make sure the sound is turned up. If you then go to select a sound output, just make sure that the output device for all of your audio is set to the correct speaker or headphone. The final thing that I would do is stay in this window and just scroll down and make sure Audacity isn't all the way down. Just make sure it's at 100. Once you've done all of that, you can then close out of Audacity and reopen it, and most of the time that will fix things.